Daisy.
What?
What happened today?
Dark things.
Dark things.
Orson became a conehead.
Orson, you okay? I'm sorry.
Why, Daddy? Why?
I'm sorry, son.
He's laying it on thick today. Oh my God. Is he asleep?
No.
Oh.
He wants to, no ball. Yes, ball. It's not gonna work, buddy.